Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about USD JPY pair and we'll do the Forex analysis for 16th to 20th March 2026. So let's go straight to a chart. So here I have already opened the chart of USD JPY. First let's see what happened on Friday in USD JPY. So here 0.24% positive move, 159.717 was the closing on Friday. So now I'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone, which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what could happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here, this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart, we can see a good bullish candle with a big body and a small lower wick and a very tiny upper wick. If I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 3652 level, which is indicating as a slight positive momentum. But remember, as we always say, you should not only depend on RSI or other indicators. We should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a 1-day chart. So here, this is a 1-day chart. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any videos that I upload on my channel. So here, if you want to learn trading from me, then you can directly contact me on my WhatsApp number. Even you can use the link given in the description, where you will easily get, or you can directly buy the course from me, where I directly or do a one-on-one live session. So here there are no pre-recorded sessions. I always do a live one-on-one session. So if you are interested to learn trading, then you can directly contact me or comment down so that I can reach out to you. So now let's talk about the closing first. Some important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently we don't need to mark any new levels. So here the closing is 159.717. Direct support is 159.444. Direct resistance is 159.764. After direct support, there is a support of 159.177 and then 158.917. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 160, and after that 160.195. So these are two important support zones and resistance zones which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels for this week. So use these levels. Currently, if you're from India and thinking that how can I trade Forex market from India, then I already shared a prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. I also shared a discount coupon code which will help you to take better discounts on any challenge that you buy from those platforms. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I have already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my Forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. So if you think that these prop firms rules are very strict, then you can also try a live or a real account from a real broker. I have already shared a broker link in the description, which is GTCFX. You can try those broker, which is a great broker where you also get a platform of MT4 and MT5. So you can try those as well. You can directly fund your Forex account and you can directly trade on those MT5 or MT4 platform. So if you're interested, you can check that out. Link is given in the description. So here, let's talk about my opinion for USD JPY. So currently, according to previous week momentum, I'm expecting a negative closing, but negative closing I'm expecting in no trading zone, which is this range, that is 159.444 to 159.764. I'm expecting a negative closing, but in this range. But if you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade once 159.764 gets breached and a 4-hour or a one day candle gets closed above this, and you can go for a long till this level. Even you can go for a long till this level as well, which is very much close. Currently, if you're going for any short trade, then only go for a short trade once 159.144 gets breached and a 4-hour or one day candle gets closed below this level. Then you can go for a short till this level. My expectation is a bit of sideways, which is in no trading zone in this range. What are your expectations for this week? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.